Hey lovely, so this right now is one of the most talked about and the most trendiest Testnet projects. I've been on it for a while and I thought I actually shared something about it. I thought I shared a video about it, but you discovered that I have not shared a video about it. And I say, hey, let me do that because it looks like a lot of us do not understand how this works. So I'm talking about the Humanity Protocol Testnet project. The Humanity Protocol Testnet project is the most talked about and the trendiest testnet project right now. Now I'm going to do something. If I come down to Telegram, so I'm going to be pinning all my all the projects I am on. I'm going to pin them on the Telegram channel so that immediately you join the Telegram channel, or if you're already on the Telegram channel, you just need to come down to this place that shows pinned messages, just like so here. And you're going to see all the projects. I did that kind of list when we were doing back Telegram airdrop project. So I'm going to do that. After this video, I'll pin all the projects I am on the Telegram channel. You'll be able to see them pinned here. So immediately just join the Telegram channel. Or for those of you that are already on the Telegram channel, you just need to click on the pin message and you're going to see a drop list. So if you're not yet on my Telegram channel, do yourself a very, very big favor and join the Telegram channel. Because that is where I share updates as it drops. As the update drops, you get notified immediately. So join the Telegram channel by the link in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment. So back to the topic of discussion. This is Humanity Protocol Testnet project. So what you need to do is you need to claim your Humanity Protocol point every 24 hours like I just did here. I came down here and then I clicked on a claim button here and I'm able to claim. Then you need to refer your friends. You need to copy your referral link and refer others. Now this is not actually compulsory, but it is necessary because the more you refer, the more you're going to earn more. The more your points is going to help your points. Then another thing is sometimes this particular app kind of have little glitches, but if you have a very strong data connection and network, it's going to work perfectly fine. So it says loading error. Let me try it again. You can claim every 24 hours. I think it's not up to 24 hours yet. That's the reason why it's showing me loading error. Now this is my point as at now, my Humanity Protocol points. Okay, successfully claimed. I've claimed that. So this is my Humanity Protocol points right here. You can see it here, and you can join via the link in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment. Now look at this right now. This is showing that I have 21 hours 12 minutes 43 seconds to claim the next one. So every 24 hours, just like your other testnet projects or airdrop projects, just come here to claim every 24 hours. It is that simple and invite friends. And the next thing you need to do is you need to come down here and click on this link account. I've done this before, but it's showing 0% because like I said, the network likely have little glitches. Once I click on the loading, it will redirect me to where I'm going to link accounts, and you said that I've actually done all this. So let me go back. I want to show you something. If you have linked your account, you are going to see a percentage in this particular section here. Okay, fine. You can see it now. See a particular percentage here, 40%. So I'm going to link my LinkedIn account to this particular project so that it increases or boosts my percentage social multiplier. So all you just need to do is whichever account you want to link, you just come there and you just click on something like this, like connect. And once you click on connect, to ask you to enter the account details, and once you enter that account details, it's going to confirm that, and then you're going to be able to increase your social multiplier. So let's say I successful login into my LinkedIn. You can see it pops up this message, Humanity Protocol trying to ask for authentication. And I'll come here and I'll click on allow, just like this, and it's authorized the testnet project and then it's going to take me back to the Humanity dashboard, just like this. Now, Humanity Protocol has also said on their official X or Twitter handle that they're going to introduce palm scanning to kind of put a name to your account, like, right, like a palm verification process, just like your biometric. So they're working on it, and so I've linked my X account, I linked my Google account, Discord, Telegram, and now LinkedIn. And then I'm going to click on back. So if you have this GitHub, you can do that. I don't have an account there, so that is why it's not showing there. After you've done all that, then you need to come here to claim some testnet node. You just click on this burger sign that is here. So that sign, you click on it. I'm using my Mrs. browser, so if you're using Chrome, it may not work on Chrome, and it will work on Kiwi browser too, but I'm using my Mrs. browser. So you're going to see this bridge, you're going to see faucets, right? You are also going to see this place that shows my MetaMask wallet address. Yes, right? You see this place that shows my MetaMask wallet address. So you need to add in your MetaMask wallet address, or a wallet address of your choice. So you come down here, you're going to click on this. It looks like a lot of you are now aware of it. So click on this to copy your wallet address here, because we're going to do something with it right now. You come down to this place that shows faucet. Once you click on this faucet, open a new tab for you, just like your XOS. Yes, if you're not mining XOS yet, hey, please do yourself a very big favor to mine it. I have a very detailed video on how to start the setup and everything, complete guide, and I also have it on the Telegram channel. So do yourself a big favor to start mining XOS. So just like we do for XOS, where we claim faucet points, that's what we're going to do here. So that's points, that wallet address you copied, you're going to come down here, you're going to paste it here. It's just like we testing the project. So you come here, you paste that wallet address here. Just watch what I'm doing. You just paste it like this, and then you can claim the Humanity Testnet points every 72 hours. Yes, you claim 0.1 Humanity Testnet point every 72 hours. So come here and click on I am not a robot first. After you successfully entered your wallet address, if you have a minimum of 0.001 Ethereum, you are going to be able to claim your faucet every 72 hours. Yes, so you need to have at least 0.001 Ethereum to be able to claim this faucet every 72 hours. Then once you click on that send me THP, if you have it, then you now need to come back again to your testnet. You will now click on this bridge, on this, and once you click on the bridge, you'll be able to swap your testnet points. You'll be able to swap it just like the way we do for XOS. So the first thing you need to do is you first of all need to connect your wallet, like your MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using, so that this is going to pop up. If not, you will see it here that they will show you connect wallet. So you connect your wallet first for it to show up. So you can now come here and swap from testnet to Sepolia, or from Sepolia to testnet, anyhow you want it. So that's how you're going to keep claiming from time to time. So that is all about the Humanity Protocol. Remember to join the Humanity Protocol testnet project by the link in the description box of this video, or my first pinned comment, or the Telegram channel. So I think this has refreshed itself, and you can see my social multiplier has now pushed up to 50%. Yes, 50%. Another way again to earn more via this Humanity Protocol testnet project is by yapping about them. Yes, if you're on Kaito, have at least a minimum of 100 followers on Twitter, you can yap about them, talk about them on Kaito. Yapping just means say meaningful thing about the project, like not just sending spam messages or spam content. Say meaningful things about the project, and then it's going to boost your humanity protocol points. Yes, so that is all about this humanity protocol point. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please do me a big favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a comment in the comment section. Always, I usually respond to your comments irrespective of how many times you ask or you make a comment. Thank you so much, and see you in that subsequent update. Bye for now.